Would you like to get 10 free Creative Fabrica downloads or use Creative Fabrica 1 month for free? Let me explain you how. Hi everyone, and thanks for joining me on this video. Let's go straight to the Creative Fabrica promotion page. I'm very happy that I can share this link with my audience. Creative Fabrica create this special page especially for me and my audience. So let me explain you how it works. You can sign up for free and download 10 free items. After the 10 download or after 1 month, so you've got 10 downloads or 1 month, the subscription renew at $9 per month, which means we'll be with 70% discount. The normal price is $29. And also you can upgrade to yearly plan for $4.99 per month. You can get personal, commercial and full pod use of files included, and you can cancel anytime, no question asked. So let me recap. You can sign up for free, browse, check everything, and when you are ready to download your files, because when you download the 10 files, your free plan will finish and you need to renew. But if you don't want to renew, you just cancel anytime. I think this is the best deal from Creative Fabrica until now, because this is win-win situation. And if you are interested, the link will be down below in the description. Let's go to main page of Creative Fabrica and browse and see what they offer. So we are in a main page. We've got fonts. You can see when you hover the mouse on fonts, you can see how many fonts they've got. Graphics, 3D, Spark. This is iTools from Creative Fabrica. I'll create different videos about this. iTools, crafts, needlework, classes, Creative Fabrica Premium, tools, print on demand section, bundles and subscription. Let's go on print on demand files. So these files, you can use them how they are and you can filter them. You can check fonts, graphics, whatever you want. And also you can go on bundles and you can find what you need. It depends what are you doing. You can download fonts, graphics or everything you need. So let's check this bundle and this bundle. What else? And this is fonts, this one, and this is mega bundle. This one and this one. I think this is enough. You get the point. Let's get this one as well. So let's check them. This one is summer vibes, and when you scroll you can see what is included, and here you can see the single files, and you can download this for free and use them. It doesn't matter if you continue or if you cancel. Let's open this one. Which one? This one, to see what is it. Enjoy every moment of summer, and you can use this for t-shirts or mugs. This one is nice. Let's check the other one. Cozy book lover. We can scroll and see the files that are included. This is the whole files that are included in the bundle. Let's check this one. Wow, this is so huge, and this is especially for t-shirts and mugs, and you can get, let's open this one. This is mom. You can see how they look on t-shirts. Let's check this one. This is fonts, font bundle. This is nice. This one is nice as well. This one is nice. And if you have any kind of software that allow to download and use the fonts, you can download fonts from here and upload it in the other softwares. I'm using Canva and I'm using Keto as well. Keto is very nice too, and I will create video for Keto as well. Let's check this one. This is fonts as well. This is a similar one. This is coloring page bundle. You can see if you are doing KDP, you can download this bundle, and you can see every file includes 50 pages. Let's open one of these. Wow, this is huge. This is 50 mandala pages. Let's check this one. This one is the same. Let's open this one. This one is also summer vibes. Oh, this is cute. And you can see how they look on t-shirts. Amazing. So you get the point, guys. You can sign up, browse, check everything, and when you decide that you are ready, you can download 10 files. I suggest to download bundles because you can get so many files. And after that, you can decide that if you want to renew for $9 per month, or you can pay yearly plan for just $5 per month. It's up to you. Or other ways to just cancel, no question asked, and you can still use the free version, because when you use the free version, you've got let me show the freebies. You've got 3 freebies every day, and also you get freebie section that you can download everything from the freebie section. It's up to you. I think that's it for this video, guys. The link will be down below in the description if you have interest. And also, if you find this video helpful for you, please hit the subscribe button, notification bell. I will highly appreciate this. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one.